What's going on, guys? You listen to Don here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about a new ICO called Unix Coin. Came across my desk not too long ago. I want to take a brief look at it, so I'm going to go ahead and dive deep and do another review on it, okay, for you guys out there that are watching. Most of my subscribers are asking me to let them know when I see these new ICOs and my thoughts and things like that, so that's what I tend to continue to do, guys. I know it gets overwhelming. I can't get in all of them or do reviews on all of them. However, I will get to the ones that I can. So let's just go ahead and start. Unix Coin, wake up to success. The starting date of Unix Coin is in 3 days and 10 hours, which will be November the 26th. All right, let's just see what this is about. What is Unix Coin? Unix Coin is the latest cryptocurrency emerging in the new era of digital financial world. It is introduced in the innovative hybrid platform, which allows investors to invest and increase their wealth sustainability. The concept of Unix Coin is similar to Bitcoin, except the fact that there are still plenty of opportunities for the investors to acquire Unix Coin, as its ICO price is still affordable and will be profitable remarkably. The vision is to be worthy of a secure money power for sustainable future. The mission, make your money grow faster with our ingenious investment programs. The total supply is 19 million Unix, and we're going to take a look at the roadmap. So October 2017 says that they were developing coin building, the web wallets, the website development, the DDoS attack protection. It says mid-November here. Early bird distribution, ICO, the initial coin offering, launching and marketing communication. December, distribution and investment, proof of work, proof of stake, lending program, affiliate program, and the internal exchange. All right, so we know that's going to happen there. Now, here in mid-January, okay, it says they're going to be growing. Listing in CoinMarketCap, the target price is $25 UNX. Android iOS platform development also in January. In February here, it looks like they're going to be doing more marketing, listing in exchange market, meaning another exchange, improve the website and its performance. The target price is $40, okay, mid-February. At the end of 2018, their target price is 200 USD. All right, so let's just go down here and look. The start date of Unix Coin is November 26th. Told you guys that, until December the 25th, which is on Christmas. All right, it's going to be a 30-day ICO sale. The coins are going to be starting from 90 cents all the way up to $1.40. So after they have already sold 1 million of these coins, they're going to go to $1. And then you guys can see the chart here. It's just going to continue to rise once they hit their selling goals. Now, the new Unix Coin ICO referral program. So this is completely different than the lending referral program. There are two parts to this, and I'll explain it later. So in the ICO referral, they're going to have 3 levels deep. They will be able to give you commissions on whoever you refer in terms of the tokens. Okay, so 3 levels deep, 7% on the first generation, second generation will be 2%, and the third will be 1%. So let's look at the reward system here. Innovative hybrid lending program for investors who prefer the fixed return. The self-controlled lending program is another appropriate choice, okay? So this is a different separate lending program. They actually have 2 options in here, and I'm going to explain them to you here as I understand it. The innovative hybrid lending program, the duration is 7 days, okay? And the maximum, well, the interest on that for 7 days is 3%. It says one-time payment after the end of contract, principal plus interest. Okay, guys. Now, whatever duration you guys choose, if you guys want to lend into this program, you will get that percentage. Okay, so if you choose 7 days, you'll get 3%. If you choose 15 days, you'll get 9%. 30 days, 20%. 45 days, 35%. The minimum investment is $100 up into infinity. There is no cap or no maximum on this particular lending program, okay, for this one here. Regular lending program investors will receive daily interest rate up to 48% monthly. The more lending amount, the higher interest rate you will get. Under regular lending program, the daily interest rate will be announced every day at 0 o'clock UTC, which is 12 o'clock midnight UTC. Okay, the lending program here, it says This is the regular lending program, okay? This is separate. This is the innovative hybrid lending program, okay? And this is the lending program, as you see the other ones, like such as Coin and BitConnect and Regal Coin and things like that, where they pay you a certain percentage, and of course your money is locked up longer, right? So here are the prices here on the lending amount for the regular lending program: $100 to $1,000. They say it's a guaranteed 0.1%. Of course, they didn't give us a percentage on how much they will earn versus the 0.1%, because of the simple fact it's volatility software and everything needs to be calculated. However, they say that they will guarantee a 0.1%, okay, if you invest anything from $100 to $1,000. Capital release is 179 days, or this is the duration. Okay, yes, okay. And it just goes up from there, guys. Okay, so the referral bonus for the regular lending program, okay, it goes 7 generations: 8%, 3, 1, 1, 0.5, 0.3, and 0.2. Okay, let's go over to the white paper, and then I'm going to show you guys, what their social media links look like. They all have been active as far as the ones that I've seen so far. I've already reached out to support. They did reply back to me pretty fast, and I asked them a few questions, such as their servers, will they have a smooth process in terms of the ICO state. They say they are developing their servers as of this moment. I also asked them if I have any issues, concerns, questions, will they be able to respond briefly and quickly to me, okay, if I have any questions. Because I mean, if I get people in here, I'm sure people gonna have issues, questions, and the more help I can give my followers, my people, my team, my downline, the more I can help you guys out, the more we all be happy. So let's just go ahead and look at the white paper. Okay, so here's the white paper. Let me just scroll up to the top here. I've already been looking at a little bit of it. Okay, we've already went over this. Okay, here's just another look at the roadmap here. Let's go down. The ICO referral program. Distribution. So the ICO distribution, they're telling you what they're going to do with the funds. It says investment 40%, system development 30%, long-term maintenance 20%, and 10% on advertising. Okay. After ICO, Unix Coin will be released into the open market. Investors will be able to get the wide range of benefits during this period. These beneficial systems include lending programs, affiliate programs, staking program, and mining algorithm. Okay. The innovative hybrid lending program. I like this. This is the different that I was talking about in the beginning of this video, where I'm saying they have 2 different lending programs, and it's actually pretty unique, because I haven't came across any of these ICOs that offer you different durations, and it's in terms of you putting your money to the system and how fast you can get it back. It may be smaller returns, however, a lot of people don't like risk. They don't like leaving their money in systems or waiting for 179 days or whatever to be able to get their investment back, right? So this is another option if you guys want to check that out. So this says this is an intriguing model that accommodates many investors with our innovative hybrid lending program. We have the professional team and sophisticated system to support and maximize the profit from cryptocurrency investment. Consequently, we assert that this passive investment can generate the appropriate return under our terms and conditions. We provide 2 types of lending programs. Okay, as I said earlier, before, regular lending program, it looks the same as all the rest. BitConnect, Unixcoin, Western Coin, where they actually let you lend here and they give you a certain amount, up to 48%. This one says this. They guarantee you a 0.1%. Okay, so let's just say BitConnect may have a 0% day. They say that they guarantee you, depending on whichever investment level that you put here, whatever lending amount that you put in, they're going to give you a guarantee that you make something. Okay, so I think that's pretty cool. The self-controlled lending program here is for investors who prefer the fixed return, as I said before, so I'll just go over this again briefly. Okay, so the duration, let's just say I got into the system and I wanted to take advantage of the 7-day lending program here. Okay, I would put in a certain dollar amount and it's going to give me 3% on whatever dollar amount I put in, plus it's going to give me back my capital after the contract is complete, alongside the interest. Okay, for 15 days I'll get 9%. If I want to leave it in for an entire month, they'll give me 20% on my money. So let's just see what this is. Let me pull up my calculator. It's 200 bucks if I did $1,000, but I just want to give you guys an example. Okay, so, you know, I guess it's one of those things where it's like, you know, what people want to put in, what they're going to risk. Of course, after the ICO is over with, you know, we can't flip any more of these tokens, right? So some people may want to take some of their profits and put it into these 2 different platforms. You know, guys, the option is there. So I think it's good that they offered another option other than just the traditional lending programs here, platforms where you earn, you know, 1%, you know, 2% of your capital is locked up for 179 days. Okay, that's just my thoughts. Okay, so you know, if you choose 45 days, which is, you know, a month and a half, if I put in 1,000 into this lending platform, okay, my profit would actually be 350 bucks after 45 days. So you may have some investors, some people who want to lend and want to do that, and there is no maximum amount. Okay, so you can start with 100 bucks and you can put in whatever you want to. Here are your risks here. So people talk about risks. I would say this will probably be for more the riskier investors who have more funds to actually put into the system. You know, instead of just putting 100 bucks, some people may want to do like 5 grand and just make the profit off of that, the 3% off of 5 grand in 7 days, and so on and so forth. So you guys can check that out. Let's continue here. Affiliate program. Okay, we went over that. Staking. For investors who are not ready to join our lending program, just hold the Unix coin in your wallet. Your wallet can also bring you the considerable return. The earning interest rate from owning Unix Coin is 10% annually. Okay, so 10% per year. Unix Coin trading program. After being launched in the open market, investors can also profit by trading Unix Coin through internal platforms and external platforms. With a long-term development plan, this is also one of the profitable investment opportunities. The mining algorithm. Another way to benefit from Unix Coin is by script mining. The proof of work algorithms which we provide will let miners earn income. The process requires necessary equipment and fundamental know-how, pretty much. All right. Consideration. Though our intention is to promote the chance of getting the highest return to all investors, it must also be admitted that when you invest, you're exposed to different types of risks. These risks involve the chance of an investment actual return will be different from the expected return. The greater the amount of risk an investor is willing to take, the greater the potential return. Investors need to be compensated for taking an additional risk. Okay, so that pretty much wraps it up for that, guys. Now let me just go to some of their social media links. Okay, so I went over to their Facebook. And as you can see here, I have been chatting with them. Okay, support. Looks like they got 10,000 likes over here. Okay. Telling folks to register now. A few comments down here on these pictures. So that's what their Facebook page, official Facebook page, looks like, guys. I mean, they do have 10,000 folks over here. Do I think these likes are fake? It's not a whole lot of likes. I do know that they have a large community in other countries. So let's go over to their Twitter page. Twitter page was created here in November. 69 followers, 2 likes. They have a GitHub here. You guys can check that out. It's just pretty much information here about their ICO. They have their different links down here. They have the full white paper here. We also go to Bitcoin Talk. So they had a post on Bitcoin Talk today. So it's been read 361 times. It just gives you more breakdown. Same thing that they're talking about on their Twitter pages and Facebook pages here. And their GitHub page. And I also went over to Whois, right? So I wanted to go to Whois, and I typed in their website domain, and I seen that they have registered this in 2016, okay, in June 2016, with the registration date for this particular domain name. The expiration date is 2019. So it looks like they were already ahead of the game, you know, in my opinion, if they did this in 2016. Okay, so that pretty much wraps it up in terms of that, guys. I mean, you know, you got a lot more folks out there that may go into deeper details, but me, I just review these things, give you guys information that I'm willing to look up. I'm not one of these hackers that can go in and find all this stuff about the company, the team, etc. But that's all I got for now, guys. When it comes to this is what the back office looks like. Okay, once you log in, they have their wallet, event logs, your team, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty clean, nice, straight to the point. I do like their website though. I do think their website looks pretty neat. However, all of these things are a risk. They pop up just like, I mean, pimples on a teenager. Okay, and I think that this is you know, this has some potential here, guys. So if you guys want to check it out, go ahead and do so. The link will be in the description. Yes, I do believe I'm going to put some funds into this thing. The coins are only at 90 cents, so I could allocate a few $100, maybe $500 over here, so I can flip those tokens or whatever it is I want to do when the time comes for me to make a decision. So I think that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure you do your own research. Make sure you do your own due diligence. If you're new to my channel, I'll ask you guys to subscribe, like, comment, turn on those push button notifications, and just stay tuned. Okay, this is Listed Don, and I'm out. Bye for now.